Let's go green and back to nature this spring. When gardening, don't work hard, work smart. Fieldbugs is a local supplier of indigenous live predator bugs that prey on common garden pests. Live predator bugs have existed in our gardens for years, but most have been exterminated through the repeated use of pesticides. Common garden pests include aphids, mealybug, caterpillars and moth larvae, white fly, thrips, red spider and various fly species. The automatic response is to resort to using pesticides, which not only prove to be expensive, but application is time-consuming, repetitive, harmful to nature, and pests become resistant over time. Let beneficial insects restore nature's ecosystem. Integrated pest management is a science-based approach that combines a variety of techniques by studying the life cycles of pests and how they interact with the environment. The use of these beneficial insects form a vital part of integrated pest management. Live predator bugs have been used successfully in the agricultural industry for over 30 years to reduce and control pests. Specific predator bugs are used to target and destroy specific pests. There are two basic types of live predators to control pests. Parasitic wasps, or parasitoids, that lay their eggs inside the eggs of its host and hatches another parasitic wasp, establishing its own colony of predators. And predatory beetles and mites, which physically and voraciously feed on live mealybugs and other soft-bodied insects and mites. There are four main mealybug beneficials: Herminitus and Anagyrus, which are parasitic wasps, and Nephis and Cryptolemus, which are predatory beetles who feed on live mealybugs. Here one can see examples of mealybug infestation. For the treatment of mealybug, predators are released from their packaging and immediately start to hunt for their prey. The two most popular spider mite beneficials are the Persimolis and Californicus predatory mites. Here are a few examples of how spider mites have infested a strawberry plant, cannabis and other leaves. Persimolis mites feed on spider mites in all stages of their life cycle. The four main beneficials for controlling thrips are the Cucumeris, Swirsky and Montarensis mites, and the Aureus predatory bug. Here are a few examples of thrips infestations. The following examples show how the various predators feed on thrips: the Aureus bug eating its live prey and the Swirsky and Montarensis mites sucking out the contents of their prey. We currently have one parasitic wasp to control fly infestation, the raptor wasp, which parasitizes on fly larvae. This is how the predatory raptor wasp parasitizes on the life cycle of various fly species. The adult fly lays her eggs, from which the fly larvae hatch. The fly larvae turn into pupae, into which the raptor wasp deposits her eggs. The fly inside the pupae is consumed by the new raptor wasp. Finally, a new raptor wasp hatches from the pupae, and so a new raptor colony is established. There are multiple benefits from using natural predator bugs in the garden. It is eco-friendly and cannot pollute soil or water, like chemical pesticides do. Bugs are small and non-invasive to humans and animals. They come in convenient packaging and are quick and easy to distribute. The process is a cost-effective means of pest control. There is a choice of a blanket treatment for various pests, or for a specific targeted treatment. There is sustainability, year after year. Pests cannot become resistant to being eaten alive, and the predator bugs are living insects, which cannot be washed off by watering, as would be the case when spraying chemicals. Various packaging is available for the delivery of living insects, depending on the volumes ordered. The good news is that Fieldbugs' full range of beneficial insects are now available directly to the public. Contact one of our friendly agents for more information or to book an assessment. LaRue Renewable Solutions is the distributing agent in the Cape Peninsula. Contact either Lydia or Tertius for further information. Let us make your valley green again.